Hi, this is Al, and I'm gonna review this solar floor light lamp. It has a monitor sensor, and also it's waterproof, and it has a core 16.4 feet long, so you can install this somewhere close to the sun, and a really nice solar panel with a 16 feet cord. It has a bracket for it. It's really easy. I'll show you how to install it. It show you up where this go up, and you just right there. As simple as this. You attach this bracket to the wall, and you just put this on, and just adjust it wherever the sun is coming up. Same thing for the lamp. It has a bracket in here. Just install the bracket somewhere and install it, and you just point it the light wherever you want. And it has like a mild, like low light. It has mild, and it has up to 9,000 K of light. That's really bright light. And it has a sensor right here in the middle, so it's really nice. It's easy to install, 4 screws. That's it. You just push the button to set it up how you want, medium, low, or off. And it's really bright. So all you have to do is attach it to the wall and just point it whatever you want the light on. I'm going to show you how to install it. And it comes with the instructions and then the screws to install it. So it's really nice. Like this is really convenient. It has a small size, and the solar panel is ready to go. You just point it at the sun, of course, and it's waterproof, both of them, with 16.4 feet, of course. So it's really easy to install the cord. You just push it in. Where you gonna put it? Already. This is up over here. Other one now. This is how you install it. It's really easy. Just put the bracket in there.